I just want to talk through some of the basic constructions of the wigs. You might be wondering why the wigs jump up in price if you go onto our website. So basically we start off with our basic, this is a machine made wig. This is just standard wig. And basically what it is, your whole head is breathing from the top right the way down to the bottom. It's a special stretch lace, which actually this is called a memory cap. You only have to wear this wig for 1 hour and this will stretch to the size of your head, which means you get a perfect fit each time. If I move around to the front here, this is a comfort band. It's a little pad of velvet that's built into all our wigs. Fantastic for a lady with no hair at all. Very, very comfortable. We have open ear tabs here on the sides. A little piece of bendy wire built in here which snatches into your temple to get you a beautiful hairline, which means you can wear your hair over your ears. If I take you round to the back, can you see your whole head is breathing from the top right the way down to the bottom. These are not hot at all. A long time ago there was a heavy bass. We've got rid of that completely. If I take you round to the back here, this is called touch fastening. So girls, there's only one size wig, which means one size fits all. You adjust this to open to the size of your head. You can make this wig as big or as small as possible. So that's your standard machine made wig. And just into pass me in the next one. Then we go on, this is why the price may jump up, because then we go on to the same construction, but this has a monofilament top, and it sounds a bit complicated, but basically that just means monofilament is a piece of material that's been hand stitched, hence why the price might go up a little bit. But this is fantastic really for a lady out there with no hair at all. Monofilament means it's all completely hand stitched, which means you can change your part in any way you want. When this sits on somebody with no hair, it gives the illusion that your hair is growing out of your scalp. Also goes around the front here of the hairline. This is what we call a lace front, and this actually gives the illusion that the hair is growing out of your head. You can actually give the illusion that you have a proper scalp. And once again we have the same construction at the back. Your whole head is breathing. These are not hot. It's a stretch lace base which will stretch width and lengthways. You still have your memory cap and your touch fastenings, which means one size fits all. Okay, and then the next one we have sort of the deluxe wig, and this is called a completely hand tied wig, which means there is no base, stretch base. This is every single hair has been individually sewn onto a mesh base, and this really is fantastic for ladies with no hair at all. The wig is lighter and every single hair has been hand stitched, so that's why the price will jump up again. When it comes to a fully hand tied wig, it means it's a lot more lighter and you can change the part-ins any way you want. Okay, so this is the hand tied wig this way. If I turn this the other way, you can really see how fantastic this wig is. By it being hand tied, that means if this goes on to a lady with no hair at all, you can change the part into any direction, exactly like your own hair. When this sits on somebody with no hair, it gives the illusion of a scalp. And then around the front is your lace front, and this is the brand new technology which is only really used for films and theatre. You get a perfect hairline. When this hits the skin, it disappears into your own hairline and you get the most fantastic look. And that's a fully hand tied wig.
And maintenance on that wig?
Okay, well this is a synthetic wig. So basically girls, you can treat this like your own hair, but the biggest no-no is heat. You don't use any heat on these whatsoever. There's no need to, because all these wigs are heat molded. Once you wash these styles will just snap back into place. So no heat at all. You wash these in cold water, you use a very mild shampoo, or you use our products and you let them dry naturally. No tongs, no hair dryers, and definitely no straighteners. A frequent question I'm always asked is how long will a synthetic wig or a human hair wig last? But basically, girls, there's no really answer to that. It all depends, A, how often you wear it and how well you look after it. I've had clients who the wig can last a year. I've had clients the wig can only last 2 to 3 months. It all depends how you look after it and how you take care of it. So basically, my best advice is if you're going to go for a wig, go for 2. So you're not wearing out the one fibre too much. You keep one for best and you keep one for wearing every day.